Oh yeah. Oh really? Yeah. Ah, nuts. Yeah. Yes. Well, I do. That's simple enough. Yeah. Yeah. That's sad. Because you know we could have flown him in for... With what? Yeah, but what I mean is, if he's working there, we could always fly him in for the weekend. Yeah, yeah. Say if he's up in Oregon or whatever, send him a ducat. Okay. Yeah. To the casual observer, the river ends here. Wow, boy, that's dropped, huh? Jeez. Huh. So ordinarily we go right over the top there. Uh-oh, that kid's about to hook a trash fish. He's not careful. All the way left here, huh? All right, thanks. Hey, you got a truck bed there. Ugh. Look at that, like we knew what we were doing. Okay, hang on a sec here.